Welcome to the 2007-2008 VEX Robotics Competition and this year's game, Bridge Battle. Bridge Battle is played on a 12-foot by 12-foot foam playing field. Two alliances, one red, one blue, operate their robots from adjoining edges of the field. An elevated bridge extends from one diagonal of the field to the other. The bridge is 14.5 inches tall and alternates between blue and red rectangular troughs called goals. To score, a team must drop a tennis ball into a goal of its own color. 61 balls are found on the field, and each alliance may load 8 balls into their robots before the match starts. 3 are black bonus balls, each worth 5 points. An alliance is made up of 2 teams, each of which controls 1 robot. Each team can include up to 2 drivers and 1 coach. Robots are limited to a size of 18 by 18 by 18 inches and will be placed in a sizing box at the beginning of the match. After the start, robots may expand beyond this size. A match consists of one 20-second autonomous period, followed by a 2-minute period where the robots are operated by the drivers. During the autonomous period, the robot may only react to sensor inputs and commands pre-programmed into them. At the end of the autonomous period, the alliance that has more total points receives a 5-point bonus. After the autonomous period, the human operators take control of the robots. Robots may move under the bridge to retrieve balls and place them in the goals. Here we see a robot loaded with balls heading off to transfer them to another robot. Here is an example of one robot loading balls into a goal as another robot heads over to battle for a high-value black ball. At the end of the match, robots that are parked on a platform are worth an additional 5 points. To be considered parked, no part of the robot can be in contact with the foam playing surface. A team's final score is the total point value of balls in their respective goals, bonus points from the end of the autonomous period, and bonus points from parked robots. Good luck!